Hi, I am Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law, and this week's blog post is Why Does It Matter Where I Bank? Often clients come in for a debt strategy session and we are looking at different options when the question comes up about what bank their bank accounts are at, checking, savings, money market, whatever. This is a really important question because if bankruptcy is one of the options we are talking about, Wells Fargo accounts can cause a huge problem. Why? Wells Fargo will freeze your account balances when you file for Chapter 7. There is some debate about whether the total balances have to be over $5,000 or not for them to actually freeze, but I would rather not take the chance with my clients' rent money for the month. This is also an important question if you are a signer on someone else's account. You may not have much money in your bank accounts, but if you are the signer on your mom's account with $50,000 in it, Mom is not going to be thrilled when her account is frozen and the funds are transferred to the Chapter 7 trustee for administration. This is also an issue of proving that the funds are not yours, which puts all the funds at risk in bankruptcy. So what can you do? There are a couple of strategies that we use when we find out a client has a Wells Fargo bank account and that we're looking at bankruptcy options. First, change banks. Go find a nice bank that doesn't have a nasty habit of freezing its customers' accounts. Second, if you really want to keep that Wells Fargo account, it's an option to take the funds out of the account before filing, disclose that you have the funds either in cash, a cashier's check, or a money order, and then deposit them again after filing. This is a rather convoluted option, but we have had clients who have insisted in the past that they want to keep the Wells Fargo account. The important part of this whole process is disclosing exactly what we did so that it is clear that nothing is being hidden. Third, you can take the risk that they won't freeze your account if the combined balances are less than $5,000. But be sure that your balances are really less than $5,000. This choice bit a debtor one time because he forgot that he was on his aunt's account and she had a lot of money with Wells Fargo. Accounts were frozen. It was a mess. In conclusion, choose your friends and your banks wisely. Make sure you get good advice on what you can expect for all of the various options you're considering. Thanks. I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law.